Hey guys, I'm going to show you how to sign into YouTube without the app. So you don't need the YouTube app to access your account. You can sign in through any web browser on your phone, tablet, or computer. So open your web browser and visit youtube.com. So once you're here, you can see the sign in button in the upper right corner. So click on that to sign into your YouTube account. Next, enter your Google account email address. If you already have your email in here, just click on that. So enter your password and click next. After signing in, you'll have full access to your YouTube account. So to confirm if you have already signed in, you can click your profile picture in the upper right corner. So from here, you can view your channel or you can go to your YouTube studio. So keep in mind that you can only open YouTube Studio if you already have a YouTube account. So you can also switch account in here too. You can go to your Google account. So you can click YouTube Studio just like so. And that's basically it. So you can use YouTube without installing the app as long as you have a web browser and a Google account. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe.